What's up guys, I'm Arch FX. I want to show you in this video how I process my hardstyle leads. This more euphoric lead, but yeah. Okay, let's first hear how it sounds. Leads. Okay, now I disable all effects. Also reverb and delay. First, this is pretty basic sound lead. You can pause and copy the settings if you want to. Some high boosts and low cut. I do it almost in every lead. This lead is more to the meats, cutting off this high end. This one is pretty high lead. A lot of detune and this pitch thing here. And this one is distorted high lead. Cutting out some mids. And this I made for that click punch. I think it actually sounds pretty cool on its own and all together. And this is in FL Studio or other DAW. It's like send channel or group channel. First I add that little bit of Valhalla room. It's like background reverb, and also I use that send channel reverb for right now. Without these effects it sounds pretty wet. Okay. Here is second and the mix channel, bass channel. I boost the mid frequencies. And this saturation hip hop puncher from mastering. A lot of producers use that. This idea I got from my friend Thor, and now I use it pretty much in everything. Some stereo. I love a lot that ozone's major. Another IQ to boost some mid frequencies. Lastly, compression. Okay, and pretty much always I use chords in background. And it's pretty simple. Copy the settings. This one for the mids. Also I decrease here the stereo field. Because here I use super hyper stereo. This from Icarus, or how it say, pretty underrated plugin, I must say. There is hyper soft, hyper stereo, and hyper stereo works very well for the chords. Basically the same EQ as on the leads and the saturation. There's more stereo to the sides. OTT compression, giving that punch and atmosphere. Really little bit of the sideshine. On the chords I pretty much never use delay because I don't know. With delay, yeah, I don't know. I like to use reverb only. Let's talk a little bit about my basses. First lead is this sub bass. Cut all that unnecessary frequencies. Pretty simple. It's sine plus little bit this saw wave. What's next? This multiband works when my actually explosion or kick come in. First greedy bass. I believe this is from Kashmir's back. Yes, Kashmir. It's really basic IQ. It is more distorted. also from the Kashmir. Like, I edited here added some distortion, and I believe nothing more. I don't remember anymore. Here is a little bit G clip for and everything together sounds like this. And this is basically how I make my Euphoric Hardstyle Leads. By the way, guys, don't forget to support me and buy my sound sets packs and sample packs and so on. By the way, volume 4 samples I try to make every month or so on free updates. And yeah, see you in next video.